Well, let's see what we're gonna have for breakfast this morning. Case is over here starting a little fire to keep the mosquitoes down. Anyway, back over to, wow, what is this? 4 coconuts, lots of bananas from the farm, and pineapples from the farm. Holy moly. Marigolds on top, nice. Oh, papaya seeds. Yeah, those are from our garden papaya. And then more bananas, another papaya from somewhere, some avocados. A papaya, maybe a snack later from our garden. More bananas from the farm. This will make a delicious breakfast right there. Piña, that's pineapple that Grace is prepared for me to eat. And that is also from the farm. And whoa, what is she having over here? Ooh, cashews, walnuts, saba, that's a cooked banana, and avocado. Plantain, yeah, it's otherwise known as plantain in the US. Ooh, that's gonna be good. Can hardly wait.